Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Customer Goes Insane and Attacks Taco Shop Employee. It Doesn't End Well."
On December 27th, 2025, officers responded to a taco shop for a call of a woman attacking an employee.
Don't kick him! I want to assault me. After you punch me, dumbass! I didn't fucking punch you, bitch! What's wrong with you? Hit me first. Get hard. You don't see the picture on my neck here? Punch me. Stop. Why aren't you getting him? Stop. Why aren't you getting him? He fucking punched me. I'm not. Please don't arrest me. I didn't punch him. Officer.
All right, you're about to get put on the ground. You're about to get put on the ground.
Can I not?
You're hurting yourself.
Can I not get put on the ground? Please don't handcuffs on me. Please don't handcuffs on me. Please don't handcuffs on me. Stop. Denny, grab my purse.
We're gonna stop. Back up 25 feet.
Search for safety on Instagram. I didn't do shit to him. You not see him? I was going to the bathroom and you opened the door. My pants were down. Your pants was not down, so stop lying. Cameras. We have cameras. Okay. My pants were down.
Walk outside.
My pants were down. Why are you taking me in handcuffs? Why are you taking me in handcuffs? I haven't done anything. Hey, y'all need me?
Yes. Yes, we do.
Wait, why are you taking me in handcuffs? Please don't take me. Please don't take me. Stop. Stop, officer, please.
Don't grab on me.
Why are you taking me in handcuffs so?
Yo, this taco shop must be like it must have the wrong crowd in here, because I did a video on this. There was another incident with like a mom and a daughter at this same taco shop a couple of months back. I recognize it from the decorations and stuff like that. This spot got the wrong clientele. I don't know, man.
I haven't done anything. My pants were down in the bathroom. My pants were fucking down in the bathroom and he opened the door.
He told you to leave.
No, I don't see anything, but...
Why are you
Have a seat in the car.
me? Please don't take me. Please don't take me. My pants were down in the bathroom and he was grabbing me. Why is this happening? I can't go to jail. Please don't take me. I haven't done anything to him. He was grabbing me while my pants were down. I can't go to jail. Why would you put handcuffs on me?
Sit in the car.
Stop! I can't go to jail. Why would you put handcuffs on me?
Because we're not going to tell you again. So
You
sit
thought it was a joke? She gonna get you together.
Where's my purse?
What happened?
For one, it's for paying customers. I tell them before they even come all the way through the door.
Okay.
Then both of them guard the door.
I got you.
As soon as they close, I open it right up.
Okay.
Not even 5 seconds pass.
Okay.
Now I'm standing there telling them to leave at this point. I don't care about paying or none of that. They just got to leave. She's sitting there arguing about 30 seconds to a minute. Then she hit me. After she hit me, I hit her back.
She hit you how?
She hit me right in my face.
Punch you?
Yes.
Close fist?
Close fist. She hit me right in my face and I punched her back as a reflex with self-defense. I wiped it off. She hit me all across my face.
How many times?
She hit me like 4 or 5 times. Every time she engaged me, I swung back because I stood right there. I didn't move. I didn't approach her. Every time she came to me, I swung back in self-defense.
You told her I did nothing wrong. He got a bunch of witnesses.
I told her to leave.
You got your ID?
You got people right here.
He respectfully told her to leave. She started
He did nothing wrong. He did nothing wrong.
Then she hit me. After she hit me, that was self-defense.
I got you. Anything happening today besides you going to jail?
No, please, can we get something working?
No.
I was...
Listen.
Damn, his hits must be weak. I ain't gonna lie to you, because if a guy can hit a girl, shit gonna be all lumped up. You hear me? No, but yeah, nah, it's good though. He just kept it calm. You know what I mean? He ain't really put all his power into it. You know what I'm saying? He just probably a little love tap, like back up now. Oh, back up. You know, he ain't really want to do it to her, you know, because, man, that it's crazy. Sometimes, you know, you got certain ladies out there that, you know, they want to boast up and be a guy and want to hit a guy. Boy, you got some guys that'll eat it, you know, and just take it like, yo, all right, go ahead. But then you got some guys that they're whether you a man or a woman, they gonna hit you back. You know what I'm saying? Some of these guys, they like, hey, these hands is bisexual. You know what I'm saying? Some of these guys, listen, some of these guys, these hands is bisexual. They say, like, oh my God, what? You know, if you hit someone, expect to be hit back, man or woman. You know, so. You know, but good job for him. He ain't really, you know, she said, my lip, you know, she said, look at my lip. She said that earlier or whatever, but from what we can see, he didn't really piece her up though, you know. She just, you know, for paying customers, man. But also, the establishment should also have a lock on it, like with a code. You know, I know there's some businesses out there, and maybe I don't know if they making money like that, whatever they doing, but if they want to do that, they should have a system where on your receipt is the code. So, you know, whatever, you may have a code for the day or whatever the case may be. And on your receipt, it'll post the code, or there'll be a code and you would have to ask, you know what I'm saying? Like ask a worker or something like that. But saying that it's for paying customers, but then just having the bathroom open to pretty much that makes for situations like this.
My pants were down in the bathroom. I couldn't do anything but come out. I tried to lift my pants.
Can you be quiet for just a second so I can explain?
No.
Emily, to get out of the bathroom and leave, but my pants were down
past
and
that point. We're past that point, okay? You are going to jail today. So listen. The easiest.
I don't want to go to jail. I can't go to jail. I can't go to jail. Please let me off on the warning. I'll do anything. I'll do anything. I can't go to jail.
Listen.
I literally
it's happening regardless, but I'm trying to help you.
I'll lose my job. Please don't do this.
You're going regardless.
Please don't do this to me.
You're going regardless. I'm trying to make this so you can get in and out faster, right?
Please let me out with a warning.
Yeah.
Please just take these handcuffs off. I haven't done anything.
Listen, you have to go.
Okay,
you have
I'm
to go
being
to jail.
safe. It was just I needed really to use the bathroom.
Listen. So the easiest, fastest way for you to get booked through and processed, you can bail out and get free tonight, right? Is to cooperate, right, and be chill. If you act out like you are right now. If you act out like you are right now, you're gonna end up getting put in a cell for a whole 24 hours.
I don't want to.
So you gotta be chill, because otherwise, when you're chill, we take you. Listen, I understand, but listen, the quicker you do this, you get your bond, and you get to get out later tonight.
Yeah, I know the handcuffs are on, but please.
So listen, we gotta put you in a van, and they're gonna take you to the jail. But you have to stay calm, because if you start, I can't.
It's my friend's birthday. I was just needing to pee.
Are you going to stay calm, or are we gonna have to get you to the jail and tell them that you're gonna be a problem?
Please, no, I'm not a problem. I'm calm.
Okay, so you're gonna go to the van like nice?
I lose my job.
Well, again, if you stay chill, you'll be fine.
Why would you do this to me? He harassed me.
No accountability. Why did you do this to me? Why did you go in there using the bathroom after you could see the sign? You know you're not supposed to be using it because you're not a paying customer. And then when they tell you to leave, you hit them. Like, what the hell?
I was in the bathroom with my pants down.
Ready?
I was in the bathroom with my pants down and I wasn't doing anything.
Step out.
I wasn't doing anything.
I'm gonna make sure that your handcuffs aren't too tight, okay? Because I don't think I got to double lock them. That's what I'll work on for you, okay?
Do you want me to pull out your hair?
Yeah, here.
I don't know. She didn't tell me. I was talking to her, but she didn't tell me where she went.
Can you please call my parents? I didn't do anything tonight. He harassed me. My pants were down in the bathroom. man. I can't go to jail and lose my job.
right.
Why would you do this to me?
I wasn't there, so I don't know what happened.
Okay. Like I told you, you gotta stay calm, or else it's gonna be a problem for you when you get to the jail. So you have to be like this, okay? I'm trying to make it so you can get your bond fast and get out. But if you act out, they're gonna put you in that cell, and you're gonna be there for 24 hours or more. Okay? So you gotta stay calm. All right?
So once we get there, I'll process it.
Yeah.
I don't want to be processed into a jail.
I'm only taking her. I can take my purse.
Take my purse, please.
Yeah.
She's saying if she's only taking her, she just take the car instead of the whole van.
I haven't. He hit me. Look at my lip.
Okay.
He hit me. I haven't hit him.
And I'm gonna document that.
I haven't hit him. He hit me.
Watch step.
Help me.
It's all gonna be documented. Don't worry.
But I'm going to jail. I can't go to jail right now. I haven't done anything.
Gotta put you in over here. It's on the backside.
I haven't done anything. And he hit me.
Yeah, the Jade Fry already searched her too, so you had a female. All right, have a seat. Watch your head. And then, here, watch your head. Get your head back. Put your head back a little bit.
The woman was charged with battery and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. What a trip. What a trip. Yeah, that's all them trucks is there because I think the police station is like in that parking garage, like where they were initially, where she was first sitting in the car. Like if you walk down and turn, because the other video, they walked her from the taco spot to in there. But if they're taking her to the jail, then yeah, you got to go in the van. But yeah, that spot, I don't know, man. I don't know about that spot, man. Y'all got to change the clientele up because I don't know. It seems like it's always issues over there. But anyways, let's get to it, man. We got jailhouse accountability scorecard. 0 equals handled it perfectly. 10 equals generational crash out. All right. So the closer you are to 0, the better you did. The closer you are to 10, the worse you did. All right. So we got 6 categories here: compliance, attitude, self-control, truthfulness, safety risk, wasted chances. Compliance, 9 out of 10. She refused to leave when told and then fought the cuffs once officers got involved, right? So that's pretty self-explanatory. Attitude, 8 out of 10. She kept arguing, yelling, blaming the employee, and talking over the officers. Once again, attitude, out of whack. Self-control, 9 out of 10. She went from bathroom drama to alleged punches, panic, pleading, and resisting. So she's a nut job. Okay, she's out of control. Cannot control her emotions. She can't control her bladder. Nothing. I don't know what she can control. Yeah. So 8 out of 10 for truthfulness. And explanation for that is she kept saying she did nothing, but the employees and witnesses account said she hit him first, right? What she's saying is not adding up to what the witnesses and the employee is saying. So she get an 8 out of 10 for that. Safety risk, another 8 out of 10. Punching an employee and resisting officers created a clear safety issue. All right. And also we got the friend inching up closer and stuff like that. It's like these people just, I don't know what's going on here. You know, back up 25 feet. You like, if you see officers wrestling with a suspect, why would you want to stand right there? And I'm talking about the friend. I don't know if you really peeped it, but look at this. I'm gonna show you real quick. Let's see here. We go back and we look at the friend. Look at this. Look at how close the friend is to the officers.
Handcuffs Tommy.
Stop.
Danny, grab my purse. Grab my
We're
purse.
gonna
Grab my
stop.
purse.
Back up 25 feet.
Look at that. Grab my purse, right? And she sees, the friend sees officers wrestling with her, with the person, and you're gonna inch up and come closer. You lucky they don't get you together. Facts. Watch it one more time.
Stop. Back up.
Look at the
Back up
friend.
25 feet.
Back up. Like, where's the common sense here? I guess sense ain't really common no more. But anyways, so yeah, safety risk for sure, man. Wasted chances. Another 8 out of 10. She had chances to leave, calm down, explain herself, and cooperate, but kept making the situation worse. This is all like unacceptable, man. Unacceptable. Honestly, this is bad. So anyway, final jailhouse score 50 out of 60. Converted score is 8.3 out of 10. Man, she would be, if she was an inmate, she would be a problem inmate, man. For sure. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.